Prashant Kishore takes on Tejasvi in Raghopur, vows Rahul Gandhi style upset. Bihar poll seat sharing tensions rise between RJD and Congress in India bloc. AIMIM to contest 100 seats in Bihar aims to build third alternative. Nitish Kumar approves JDU candidates as NDA seat sharing talks continue. Congress finalizes 25 Bihar Assembly candidates ahead of India bloc seat sharing. Hello and welcome to Bihar Election Tracker, your go-to source for key updates as the state moves towards a high-stakes assembly election. I'm Shubh Bhardwaj, bringing you the latest from the campaign trail. Let's dive into the details. Jan Swaraj Party founder Prashant Kishore hit the campaign trail in Raghopur, the home turf of RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, promising a high-stakes battle that could become a defining contest in Bihar politics. Kishore, drawing a crowd of enthusiastic supporters, vowed to replicate Rahul Gandhi's 2019 Amethi-style upset, signaling his intent to challenge Tejasvi directly in his stronghold. During his visit, Kishore engaged with villagers on foot, listening to complaints about poor school infrastructure, lack of basic amenities, and unmet civic needs. He urged voters to look beyond caste loyalties when choosing leaders, questioning whether the local MLA had been accessible to resolve their problems.
जो भी जन स्वराज में प्रत्याशी के तौर पर सक्रिय रहा है किसी भी क्षेत्र में, उसको उस क्षेत्र में जाना ही पड़ता है, जाकर काम करना पड़ता है, लोगों का विश्वास हासिल करना पड़ता है, लोगों से पूछना पड़ता है, और जब लोग कहते हैं कि यही सबसे कारगर है तभी उसको टिकट मिलता है, तो हम पर भी लागू होता है, इसलिए आ जाए.
Seat sharing talks in the India bloc for the upcoming Bihar polls are facing hurdles as RJD and Congress clash over 5 key seats: Baisi, Bahadurganj, Raniganj, Kehelgaon and Saharsa. Both parties are citing past performances and regional influence to stake their claims. The AIMIM, meanwhile, says it has been sidelined and plans to contest around 100 seats, escalating the electoral dynamics further. Continuous rounds of meetings are underway as the allies try to resolve the dispute ahead of the polls. The AIMIM, led by Asaduddin Owaisi, has announced plans to contest around 100 seats in the upcoming Bihar Assembly elections, seeking to emerge as a third alternative to both BJP-led NDA and Congress-RJD alliance. The party claims previous overtures to join the India bloc went unanswered, prompting a solo push to expand its footprint, particularly in Muslim-dominated regions like Simanchal. In 2020, AIMIM had won 5 seats and now aims to challenge both alliances while exploring alliances with like-minded parties. As elections date near, political parties are now giving the green signal to candidates whose tickets are almost confirmed. Seat sharing snag in NDA. It is clear that JDU and BJP will contest 102 to 101 seats, with minor adjustments in 3 or 4 constituencies. JDU gets 1 extra seat, reflecting its big brother role in the state. Accordingly, the JDU leadership has given the green signal to potential candidates for several seats. According to sources, Nitish Kumar has approved candidates for a total of 30 constituencies across various districts. The Congress CEC has finalized candidates for around 25 Bihar Assembly seats, including 7 sitting MLAs. Key names include Rajesh Ram, Shakil Ahmad Khan, Vijendra Chaudhary, Izharul Hussain. In Rajpur Buxar, sitting MLA Vishwanath Ram is likely to be renominated after the move underscores Congress's strategy to retain key leaders while preparing for a strong challenge in competitive constituencies. For daily in-depth updates on everything shaping Bihar's political landscape, stay tuned to NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker.